can view the manager approval section. Well, they really don't need access to it, and I don't want them approving their own supply requests, so I'd like to hide this form if they are not a manager. Now, you may know of a way to handle this already by using the Is Secured checkbox in your properties and then assigning which user groups can access this section, but we can also do this through a custom action. So let's add a new custom action here. Let's call this Hide Manager Approval Section if user is not in 9SF Manager Group. We have a condition that deals specifically with security. We'll go ahead and click Add here, and in our list we're looking for user is in or not in group. Click OK. So we can toggle the in group to not in group, and then we just specify the user group. In this case, this would be the 9SF Manager Group. So the condition is if they're in any group besides this group, I want to hide the Manager Approval section. So in our list of actions, we have an action that will hide elements of our form. We have Change Element Visibility. So the element that we want to hide is the Manager Approval section. So we'll select that and then click OK. And it's set to hidden, but we could also toggle this to show. So that's all we need to do to set up this custom action. Let's click OK and test it out. The user I'm currently logged in as is not in the 9SF Manager Group, so I'm not seeing the Manager Approval section. But if I were to log in as somebody who is in the 9SF Manager Group, I now see the Manager Approval section. So keep in mind, if you're wanting to hide certain fields or elements on your form based on security, you can do that through a custom action.